Hey everyone! Today's task to solve is valid name. For this task, keep in mind the following definitions. A term is either an initial or word. Initials equal 1 character. Words equal 2 plus characters. No dot allowed. A valid name is a name written in one of the following ways. Initial plus word. Two initials plus word. Word plus initial plus word. 3 words. The following names are invalid. Single names not allowed. Initial must end with dot. Incorrect capitalization. Middle name expanded, while first still left as initial. Last name is not a word. Dot only allowed after initial, not word. Rules. Both initials and words must be capitalized. Initials must end with a dot. A name must be either 2 or 3 terms long. If the name is 3 words long, you can expand the first and middle name or expand the first name only. You cannot keep the first name as an initial and expand the middle name only. The last name must be a word, not an initial. Your task is to write a function that determines whether a name is valid or not. Return true if the name is valid, false otherwise. As usual, we have an example of what would be the right results if the function is written correctly. When we work with strings and their validity, the first that comes to our mind that the regular expression can be useful to solve this task. First, let's see how initials and words look like in terms of a regular expression. Initial consists of one capital letter and must have a dot at the end. Since dot is any character, we will put a backslash before that dot to convert it into a character. Word also begin with a capital letter and must consist of 2 or more letters. For this, we add a token that matches any letter with adding a plus at the end, which means that there will be one or unlimited numbers of characters. It's time to start writing our regular expression. Firstly, we need to write that we are going to check the name from the beginning to the end. From the description, it is clear that at the end of the name there must be a word, so let's add it. Next, there are 4 options at the beginning of the name. We will check them in a group and make sure to put a space after it. Let's do it step by step. The first option is when we have only one initial. The second option is when we have optional additional initial. For this, we will take into a group and put a question mark at the end. The third and fourth option begin with word followed by space. Then we add a group where there will be either a word or an initial. After we are done with the regular expression, we will call the test method to check the incoming name and return this result. We have written all the conditions of the task. It's time to check several tests to make sure that the goal is achieved. Our function is ready. This was one of many options for solving this task. Look at it carefully. If you do not understand any of these methods, make sure to look at ECMAScript 6 or higher documentation, so that you can fully understand, write and read the code correctly, but not just copying it. And that's it. Thanks for watching and solving this task together. If you like it and want to see more of these kind of videos, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!